In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify and Xero for accurate accounting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero to find the official Shopify integration and start the connection confidently. This setup helps automate sales, fees, taxes, and payouts so your books stay clean with far less manual work. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to both Xero and your Shopify store and that you have permission to connect apps in your Xero organization. Start by opening Xero in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This ensures the connection is set up in the right place and avoids rework later. Next, look for the Apps icon in Xero's navigation. It appears as a small grid or launcher. Click it to reveal shortcuts that help you discover and manage add-ons. This is the quickest path to the Xero App Store without needing to search around the interface. From the launcher, choose Xero App Store. This is Xero's curated marketplace for trusted integrations. Browsing from here ensures you're connecting to the verified Shopify app rather than a third-party tool you didn't intend to use. You'll also see region-specific details, pricing information if applicable, and support resources. In the App Store, use the search bar to type Shopify. You should see the official Shopify app for Xero appear. Open the listing and review the overview to confirm it matches your needs. It's helpful to scan the description for supported features such as syncing sales, refunds, taxes, and payment gateways. If your business operates in multiple regions, check that your tax setup and currency are supported. This quick review can save time and surprises during setup. When you're ready, click Get this app to start the integration. Xero will guide you through connecting your Xero organization and your Shopify store. Expect to approve permissions and choose settings that control what data syncs and from when. A few tips as you proceed. Pick a sensible start date to avoid duplicate entries, confirm your tax rates are accurate in Xero before the first sync, and decide how payouts and fees should map to your chart of accounts. Many users also prefer to create new sales as drafts in Xero at first, so they can review the initial imports and confirm everything looks right. That's it. Once the connection is complete, monitor your first sync, spot check a few orders, and you'll be on your way to accurate, automated accounting between Shopify and Xero.